Morning, we're here outside the patio and just want to show you the Dama De Noche. It started flowering last week. And those are flowers right there. And just want to show you a close-up of the flowers. And there's a lot here. We call this plant Dama De Noche, but it is also known as night blooming jasmine. The flowers are very fragrant at night, starting at dusk. And right here are the flowers. We call it bulaklak in Tagalog. Bulaklak is called flowers in Tagalog, and the leaves is a leaf, or leaves is dahon. Leaf is dahon and leaves mga dahon. And as you can see, the young branch and the leaves are color green or verde. Kulay verde. That's color green. Color is kulay and green is verde. My uncle gave this dama to my mom 5 or 6 years ago. A tree is called puno. Puno. And roots is called ugat. Ugat. And there's some yellow leaves here. Color yellow. Yellow is dilaw. Dilaw. And our dama is sharing the spot with the sayote here, or pear squash. You could still see some flowers there. Branch is called sanga. It's like almost every branch or sanga has flowers in them, or bulaklak. And just want to show you flowers that's just starting right there. And there's more. Those two right there are also Dama De Noche flowers. They're very young. They're just starting. There's hummingbird. And there's a lot of flowers on that branch. And I just want to show you seeds. There's some seeds here, and they're very tiny. First thing I think is looks like an egg. If you have seen a house lizard's egg, I think it's like the same size. It's color white or puti. And before I say bye-bye, let's go and review the Tagalog words that I use on the video. A leaf is called dahon, and to say leaves, you say mga dahon. Mga dahon. That's the plural form. And color yellow is dilaw. Roots is called ugat. Ugat. And color green is called berde. A tree is called puno. And a flower is bulaklak. Bulaklak. And a branch is sanga. And seeds is called buto. And last, to say fragrant, that's mabango. Mabango. That's it. Click on show more to look at the spellings, and also I'm going to include a link to the legend of the Dama De Noche if you want to read about the story. Bye-bye.